guys, so today's video is all about catching up, what happened the past year. I had my baby, and I love him. I will say that I have never had the baby blues, postpartum depression, ever, and I did with him. He also had colic, didn't help his situation or mine. And so I have been spending the past year dealing with that, getting over that. I finally figured out that in order for me to be happier, I needed to lose some weight. I know that sounds silly, but I just didn't feel like myself anymore. So I signed up to do a weight loss challenge, and the winner won $5,000. I won. So I'm now in this phase of life where I really like myself and I'm really happy with the decisions I'm making. But let's focus in on, while I was struggling with postpartum depression, the schools called and said that it was going to be distance learning again. I knew that wasn't good for my kids or for my family. Everybody hated it. We all just were really grouchy with it. It didn't fall into our timeline or our schedule. And so I made the decision, amongst many others that made this exact same decision, that I would homeschool my kids. Now, it didn't come easily. It was definitely something that I got the call from the school at the same time I was trying to potty train my third child. He had just pooped everywhere, and got the call from the school saying that it was going to be distance learning and my newborn baby blew out of his diaper. So I had a lot of crap, literally, to deal with. I just handed my husband the kids and I said, I can't do this right now. I went upstairs, shut myself in a room, and I cried. That moment is when I realized that I had postpartum depression, because I didn't realize it before. I didn't have any feelings to harm my baby, you know, the questions that they ask you when you go into the pediatrician. I never wanted to harm my child, I just didn't like him. I didn't like him. And so that right there was my, looking back, that's when I realized something's wrong with me. Something's not normal, because I love my kids with all my heart and I love being a mom. I really do. So that moment, crying in that room, I realized something's wrong with me and I need to fix it. But first, I had to address the schooling problem. And I knew I had a friend that was homeschooling. Her kids were totally normal, very smart, very well-behaved, polite children. So I called her and I said, hey, tell me how to homeschool. And she had been getting a lot of calls from other parents saying the same thing, but they were wanting to still use the school distance learning way. And she goes, hey, I don't know how the school district works. I can't really help you with that. And I said, no. I'm pulling my kids out of school. Teach me how to homeschool. What is the best curriculum? And then we really deep dived into that whole thing. So I've been homeschooling for a year now. We absolutely love it. Life's been crazy. It's not always easy. We actually decided to invest in something else, and still deciding whether or not that's a positive thing. It's a lot of hard work, and this year I'm sure affected everyone differently, but I just wanted to let you guys know where I'm at, what's got me to this point of the next several videos that you guys will see, and I'm really excited about it. So I hope you guys will enjoy the journey with me.